today's video, I am sharing with you all 3 sales. Yes, y'all, 3 sales. Up first will be the fabric sales. Then I will give you all, last but not least, the patterns. Welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Fam, this is your first time clicking on my video and you have not already done so, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you like any and everything about sewing. I'm talking about me-made reveals, pattern hauls, fabric hauls, thrift hauls, and any and everything about sewing. You're interested in knowing about the latest pattern or fabric sales, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button so that YouTube can push my content out to others in the sewing and crafting community. Thank y'all in advance and welcome new subscribers to the channel. I am so glad you decided to join your girl, Denise the Sloth Sewist channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for liking, sharing, commenting, returning, and once again, subscribing. All right, in today's video, I am sharing with you all 3 sales. Yes, y'all, 3 sales. Up first will be the fabric sales. Then I will give you all, last but not least, the pattern sale. So let's get into this video so I do not hold you all today. I'm just walking around the homestead, getting a few steps in while I give you all the announcement. Okay. Up first is the fabric sales. I have 2 fabric sales for you. So let's get into fabric sale. The first location, Fashion Fabrics Club. Sales dates happening today only, as this recording is April 1st, 2026. So make sure you go ahead and get your fabric wish list together. Check the back of those patterns. Or if you just not using a pattern, you just want some fabric to add to your fabric stash, I got you. Once again, location is Fashion Fabrics Club. Sales dates happening now, April Fool's Day. This is not April Fool's joke, everyone, but it's just for today only. What's on sale? Whole entire website is 20% off. Once again, the entire website is 20% off. All right, sale. I got my notes here once I got to switch hands with y'all. My second sale, location, fabricmart.com. What's on the sales dates are now, and this ends, I don't know the end date, so I say check it between today and tomorrow to ensure that you can get in on this fabric sale. What fabrics are on sale? Here we go. I'm going to do my best to pronounce it. Chillis is $5.96 per yard. No limit. If I mispronounce that, y'all, your girl apologize. Home decor blowout is $8 per yard. No limit. 70% off clearance. And an extra 10% off the clearance fabric. Last but not least, for his fabric sales, I'm talking about your ITY, your FTY, your DTY, and your knits fabrics are only $5.96 a yard. Can't beat that, y'all. Well, you can. They drop it down a little lower. But once again, ITY, FTY, DTY, and knits are $5.96 a yard. Now, those are the 2 fabric sales that I have for you all today. Let's get into the final sale that I have. It is the pattern sale. Pattern sale. It is happening now. Now, let me first give you the location. All right, pattern sale. Location, simplicity.com. Sales dates now through April 6, 2026. You have until 11:59 p.m. EDT time to get in on this sale. What patterns are on sale? Well, everyone, simplicity patterns are $5.99. Once again, simplicity patterns are $5.99. So go ahead and grab your simplicity wish list and head on over to simplicity.com and get those patterns that you have been waiting for. They're $5.99 until April the 6th, 2026. All right, everyone. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up so YouTube can push it out to others within the sewing and crafting community. And if you have not already done so, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any of my content. Thank y'all in advance. Enjoy the sales if you're shopping. And I will see you all this Friday on my next video, part 3 of the sewing pattern haul. Coming your way, it will be a Joann's part 3 fabric haul. You be like, Denise, Joann's closed last year. I know 2025, but I'm finally getting the opportunity to share those Joann fabrics with you all. Rest in peace, Joanne. Fabrics you are truly missed. All right, everyone, but I'm thankful for the opportunities we do have. All right, everyone, thank y'all so much for watching. Bye-bye.